Okay, today we're going to be doing a review of the Acer Aspire One laptop. This unit is going to be replacing my 14-inch laptop for work, which is right there. See the size difference. And the 14-inch is not large by any means. It's just these units are extra small, these new Acers. This is the blue model. They have two separate models. They've got this model, which has got a 120 gig hard drive, 1 gig of RAM. It's got 2.5 hour battery life, and the other model, which is a silver or gray, I forget the color, it's slightly more. It's got a 160 gig hard drive, has a larger battery life. That's the only differences in these two models, the two Acer Aspire One models. This one retails, I think for I think the retail is what they actually sell it at, which is $349. You get it at, got mine at a Micro Center. You can get these Best Buy, I believe, $349, and then the other model is $399. For me, the hard drive space, I use a server to store most of my files, so the 40 gig hard drive difference wasn't going to be a big factor for me. So, and the battery life, I typically leave it plugged in, so it's not a huge deal. So you get the laptop itself. There's the nice little box that comes in. You get this protective sleeve. Going around, pouch, whatever, when you travel. AC adapter. That's all you get with the laptop. Not a whole lot for $349. Really, you can't expect a whole lot as far as extra accessories. This unit does have a Windows XP Home Edition pre-installed, Service Pack 3, which, that's fine. I believe they're going to be shipping with Vista here soon. I'm not sure about that. Other features, it does have a camera, webcam. It's got, as far as your slots, that's your charging jack, external monitor slot. You can hook it up to an LCD TV, whatever you want. Ethernet jack, USB, SD card slot right here. And on the other side, you've got microphone, headphone, another USB, another SD slot. That is just the lock. The back doesn't have anything on it. But it's, for the price, it's the size, it's packed full of features. It's a nice unit. Again, 1 gig of RAM, 1.6 gigahertz processor. It's plenty fast enough. Has built-in wireless. You can see the properties here. I can show you the processor and the memory. Let's see here. Oops, I wanted to be on general. Again, it's got a Intel Atom 1.6 gigahertz processor, 1 gigahertz of 1 gig RAM. 1 gig of RAM also. It's an Acer, obviously, and again, Service Pack 3. It's a real nice model. It comes with a few. Comes with Office 2007 trial preloaded. I didn't feel like buying that, so I got rid of that. It does come with Microsoft Works, which pretty much the old version I'm using of Office is like 2000. Works does everything that my 2000 does. You've got the word processor in there. You've got like an Excel spreadsheet kind of thing. That's basically all I use it for work, so not a huge deal. Right now I've got just about everything loaded on here. I've got AM, I've got, you can see Adobe Photoshop, I've got iTunes, what else do I have? Another assortment of programs. I think I've even got LimeWire on here. See, there's Photoshop. Photoshop is a real memory hog, and it always takes this long to load up on any machine. And this is actually a little faster than most. So there's your Photoshop. And that's full-blown Photoshop. That's not a trial or anything like that. Let me see. You've got obviously it comes with. I run Firefox, but obviously it comes with all your basic. It does come with Intervideo WinDVD. Does not have a DVD player, so it doesn't have any kind of external drive. So you've either got to load your programs from a floppy, or not a floppy, but a external hard drive that you've got them saved on, or you can put them on another system through your network, or you can buy an external CD, DVD, what have you. You can do any of that, but no external drives. My only complaint with this model so far is the mouse. You see the buttons here, your right and left click, get out of that, right and left click are on the sides. I'm a righty, but I use my left hand for a mouse typically, so it's kind of, here's how I usually do it. It's kind of weird. I'm using an external mouse now, Logitech wireless, so that's my only complaint. Now there are some things that when you do buy this model that you'll notice there is a little tweaking you have to do. What I noticed, my wireless was super slow. It was connected to the network, it was fine. The wireless was slow, and I know it wasn't my network, so I did all my Microsoft updates, and then I went to the optional updates. Acer didn't have this update available on their site, this particular update. There is an update for the wireless, built-in wireless card. I'll show you what card it actually has. But when you do the optional updates through Microsoft, I wouldn't recommend all their updates, but definitely do the wireless update. It's this card here. And my mouse is kind of acting screwy because I'm on the carpet here, but okay. The driver it comes shipped with is, I believe, 7.6.0.1 something. Well, you see this, and it's the drivers from, I believe, June or July. The new driver date, which this is from Microsoft's website, not Acer's, is a little newer. It's from August. I did just purchase this model on January 10th. It's not old stock. They just got this in, but obviously they're not not that updated. So this new driver is from August. It's driver 7.6.0.250. It's 260, excuse me. That is the new driver you want. It makes a huge difference. Also, there is a BIOS flash update on Acer's website. I'd highly recommend that you get that. Again, you're not going to have a floppy to flash the BIOS. You've got to flash it from a flash drive. Actually, you got to do it that way. And there's a program I can go over later with how to flash the BIOS on these young models. But mine shipped with BIOS version 3.110. The latest is 3.990. So quite a bit newer. They've had 8 revisions since I purchased this model. So I would definitely recommend that. Other than that, the unit's great. The webcam works fine. Everything else is smooth as silk. I really couldn't ask for a better laptop. And you can see it's really small. And here's my hand. I don't have a big hand. It's way larger than that. It's just a great unit. And look forward to more videos of this unit, specifically the BIOS. I'll show you how to. I'm not going to actually flash it again because I've already flashed mine. Doing that twice is not a good thing. So I will do a video of what you need to download to your flash drive and how to get there, and we'll go through that as well.